Are you getting the Not Your AirPods Pro message in your iPhone and struggling to connect them? This is a common issue that can be caused by network problems, glitches in your iOS, or even an issue with your AirPods. Follow these troubleshooting steps to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone and its settings. If there's a chance that the AirPods have been paired with misconfigurations, unpair the AirPods from your iPhone. Go to your settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to the AirPods if you find it. Forget the device. After that, go back and turn off and on Bluetooth. Now force restart your iPhone. To force restart, press the volume up button and then the volume down button. Right after that, press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone to restart. Once it restarts, reopen the lid of your AirPod and try to reconnect. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means that the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. Turn it off and on. After that, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Solution 3. Update or reset network settings. Backdated iOS version can also cause such issues. To fix this, open Settings. Tap General and select Software Update. If any updates are available, just download and install them. Updates come with bug fixes and it can solve your problems. If there aren't any updates, go back. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice after this. This will reset your Bluetooth settings, Wi-Fi passwords, and related network settings, and hopefully fix the problem. If the problem still persists, your best bet is to contact Apple support for assistance. They can quickly help determine if your AirPods are malfunctioning and hopefully get everything sorted out. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video helped fix your issue. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful solutions like this. Thanks so much for watching.